So this is my desk critique for week number 4. And for this desk critique, we were asked to create some animation layered into our presentation. My last week's desk critique really didn't come out that great, so I decided to go ahead and redo it. And I'm going to kind of show you a little bit of the animation that I put into the PowerPoint presentation, or actually this is Captivate. So I'm just going to play a little bit of the first and second slides just to kind of show you what I've incorporated. We were supposed to create some animation, but we were also supposed to integrate some learning tests or quizzes into the integrated learning, into the presentation. And so I am going to show you a slide that includes something like that. So I'm just going to play a little bit of this. Welcome to the MRI safety presentation. Today we are going to be discussing the basic concepts behind safety in MRI. The first thing we'll do is take a quiz on the next slide. So this next slide is a quiz slide, and if the students answer it correctly by stating true, then they will be told that that is correct, and they can click anywhere or press Y to continue. And so this is talk about today will be the actual beginning of the presentation. And as you can see, when the slide first started, there was a little bit of animation for the images to come up as well as the text. And I do have some voiceover audio that goes into detail explaining all of these 3 different classifications. My intention is to proceed into the next slide with a Jeopardy style quiz that incorporates the information that was presented on this slide as kind of a knowledge check. I was having some difficulties. For some reason, Captivate kept using this current slide as the master slide. So every time I try to create a slide, this would be the base slide, and then anything I'd add to it would just kind of layer on top. So kind of having some issues with that, but I'm definitely going to try to figure out how to fix that. I've done some of the reading for this week. It talks a lot about animation and how to incorporate it into your module or your learning application in order to better present information and keep people interested. And Captivate has quite a bit of different things that you can use in the integrated learning section where you can incorporate different types of slides that have a lot of animation to them and keep the learner intrigued. So that's pretty much the gist of my week 4 desk critique. And even though it's still very much a work in progress, I hope you guys enjoy what I've done so far.